Module 3 of this our training. Welcome to Module 3. Here we'll be talking about customer research and how you can target them, audience targeting. Who are your customers? How do you do research about them? Let's continue. Now, your ideal customer is the foundation of every campaign. Understanding your ideal customer means knowing exactly who benefits most from your product or service. This research forms the backbone of every ad campaign, content strategy, and business decision. Without this strategy, you risk spending budget on the wrong people. So you need to identify who exactly you are targeting. Who benefits most? Who are the people that buy most? You need to identify them. You need to research their online behaviors. What are their language? Which kind of language do they say mostly? One of the language people do say mostly is I am broke. It's a language. If you don't know, you can create a pain point around it. You can say, if you are broke and you have a job, you need to read this. You are speaking to them. You are speaking to their language. They will know that this thing is for me. I am broke. You can say so. You can use surveys. You can set up a survey around your customer behavior, around your own product, and push it out to know what is their pain points, what are the things they need solutions to. Hope you understand. So this is how you do your customer campaign. You can even use your competitor analysis to gather data just to know who exactly you are targeting. Now, solve their problem. Your product or service exists to solve a problem or fulfill a desire. Identifying this is the key to writing compelling ads and creating content that resonates. The deeper you understand their frustration and aspiration, the more aggressive your messaging becomes. Which means that if the product you are solving, if the product you are trying to sell to them is not solving their problem, is not a solution to the problem they are looking for, you don't have a business. Which means your business, your product, your service must be one of the problems that will, in fact, once they see, they will know that this thing is built for me. So it must be solving a problem. So that's why I said you must do a research first before you start selling. Don't say because you know how to write, everyone also knows how to write. Let me give you the story of pure water and bottled water. Hope you know that it's not everybody that drink pure water. Now imagine you want to be selling pure water to everyone. You won't sell because you have some people that have never even drink pure water before in their life. It might look strange. You have some people that have never even seen motorcycles in their life before. They are still alive. What about those ones? Even bottled water, we have some people that don't drink bottled water. Can you see what I'm saying? So you must know the kind of problem you are solving for your customer before you say you want to be solving problems to them. So once you identify the problem you are solving to them through your own research, you understand? So it will be easier for you to write ads that resonates with that report, to that research you just did. So you need to know what keeps them awake at night. What outcome did they dream of achieving? How does your product bridge the gap between their problem and desired solutions? So how does your problem close the gap? You know they have a problem. So how does your product now solve that problem? You need to bridge this thing together so that they can eventually buy from you. See, let me tell you, people buy desires. People buy solutions to their problem. They are not interested in your products. They are not interested in whatever you are selling. They are not even interested. Even people buy you before they buy your products. They buy you before they buy their products. So take note of that. Next is demographics. Define who your customers are. So demographics are the statistical characteristics of your audience, the basic who behind your customer. These data points help you narrow down your targeting and ensure your ads reach the right people. When you are running ads, when you get to audience, after location in Facebook ads, you will see these demographics there. You will see demographics, you will see behaviors, you will see interest. So demographics are the characteristics of your audience. That's where you know their age, their gender, and their education level, their income level, their occupation, their marital status. So these are the starting filters for any campaign. These are the things you need to check to know that this ad is for people between the age of 18 years to 24 years. This is where you know that this ad is not for people above 50. If you're above 50, this product is not for you. So you need to know the demographic, you need to know who your customer is, who exactly are you targeting. so that you can filter them out, so you can know who you are focusing your attention on. That is demographics. Let's move on. Interest reveal what your audience cares about. Interest means what makes them excited. What is that thing they see that they feel like, yes, I love doing this. So interest tell you what topics, brand, hobbies, and pages your audience engages with. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram track these signals to help you reach people based on what they care about, not just who they are. Let me give you another example. If you go to, if you are, if maybe for example you want to search for maybe a site, or it might be a site, maybe an application. If you go to Google and search it, by the time you land back on Facebook, the next thing you'll be seeing is that you'll be seeing advertisement about that keyword you just search, which means they are tracking it already. Hope you get. That's how interest works. For example, you go to Facebook and search for Facebook page. By the time you go back to your, if you go to Google to search for Facebook page, by the time you go back to Facebook, you will likely be seeing advertisement related to Facebook page. They are already tracking your behavior. That's how the internet. In fact, if you are not doing Facebook, if you are not doing advertisement this time around, you are losing a lot of money. Honestly. Now, the way you will know the interest your audience are interested in is you need to know the pages they follow, the brands they love, topic they engage with. So this helps you find audiences aligned with your niche. Once you know who they follow, the brand they love, so it will make you to make another research, to make another topic around that. So you have to combine multiple interests for tighter targeting. To combine a lot of interests so you can know the targeting you get. So let me tell you about Facebook, something about interest targeting on Facebook. Though it's no longer working like it used to before. Something about interest targeting is that if you target affiliate marketing, you can see like 100 million there or 1 point something billion. If you select digital marketing too, where you are making the mistake is that people that are in the affiliate marketing are mostly people that are also in the digital marketing. It's only under marketing. So when you want to run ads, select only one of the keywords and be running ads on it. Hope you get. Now, the next thing is behaviors. The behavior show what your audience actually does. Behavioral targeting goes beyond interest. It look at what people actually do online. So if you are someone that used to come online and do like, Facebook will have already placed your data under those that will be under like only. So if someone run engagement campaign, you will be seeing they will show it to you. Why? Because that's what you love. You love like, you love clicking likes. That's the kind of behavior you are showing online. Now, behavioral targeting goes beyond interest. It's looked at what people actually do online. As you can see, this includes purchase behavior, device usage, travel habits, and engagement patterns. So we are someone that do buy something online. You do buy. So eventually, Facebook will be showing your ad, and Facebook will be showing ads of people that wants them to how do I even say sorry, Facebook will be showing advertisements of people that are running people. You see any advertisement that people wants to buy, sales campaign, you'll be seeing it in your feed. Why? Because you are someone that do buy. You are someone that do buy a lot. So Facebook will be showing sales campaign to you, which means you should come and be making purchase. These are people I'm calling engaged shoppers before, or online shoppers. They are people that do buy. Now, if you are someone that do love engaging, commenting, they will be showing your ads to them. Facebook will be showing ads like that to you. So which means kind of behavior you show online, you need to know the one your customers, your audience are also doing, so you can know how you can get them. Remember, I told you that it's 3% of people that buy. So when you are doing your ads campaign, don't focus on the sales. Focus more on letting them be aware of the problem and provide and using your own brand as a solution to that problem. So that when you are running, maybe it is awareness, if it is traffic, they will come into your DM directly. Hope you understand. Now, like I said, one of the behaviors you can check is purchase behavior. Device usage. Your audience, are they using phone? Are they using Android, or they are using system? They are using laptop? Did they travel? So this and so on and so forth. Let's move on because of our time. Location targeting, put your heart in the right place. These are the kind of targeting that you can target by country, by city, or by radius around the location. Location targeting ensures your ads are shown to people in specific geographic areas, whether you are a local business or global brand. For example, you are selling shoes and you can't do you are selling shoes and you can't sell to people in Kano. If you are picking the whole of Nigeria, don't be surprised someone from Kaduna message you that they are interested in what you are buying. It's because you have not yet defined your target audience. That's another mistake you are doing. So you must know the area where your audience are before you start running ads. It's those areas you will select. If you can't sell to people in Abuja, I will show you. You can't sell to people in Abuja. Don't target people that are in Abuja. You are making a very drastic mistake like that. Exclude areas where your product isn't available. Exclude them. Don't include them at all. I will show you how you can exclude them. Yes, when we get there, if I don't forget, I will tell you. I will show you. Which means that if you are selling in Osogbo and you don't want people in Ife to see your ads at all, I will show you how you can do it. I will show you how you can do it. So adjust based on location performance. Now, age and gender help you define your targeting. I have mentioned it before. Age and gender are among the simplest yet most effective targeting parameters. They allow you to tailor your messaging to specific life stages and demographic, ensuring your ads speak directly to them. If you don't define your age audience, Facebook will be showing your ads to everyone on Facebook. But if you define who exactly you are targeting, Facebook will be showing your ads to people only in that age range. So different age groups respond to different messaging style, as you can see. The way someone at 18 years will respond is not the same way someone at 30 years will respond. So gender targeting can improve ad relevance scores, which means that, well, I've read a lot of books about marketing. So there's a book I read that said, when you are running ads, focus more on women than men because they make more purchase than men. But me, I won't advise you. If your product is for women, focus women. If your product is for men, focus men. But if you know your product is for men and women, you know that there are some people that when they are setting up their Facebook ads, they didn't even set it up as a guy. They use it as a woman only. Now imagine you are focusing only as a man. You've excluded yourself from this kind of people to see your ads. Now you need to combine it with interest for more precise targeting. But like I told you, the Meta Andromeda that is just updated to do, you need to work on your creatives. And please let me add this. When you are running ads, ensure all your ads is following Facebook ad policies so that your account won't get restricted. It has happened to me. That's why I said one of my ad accounts was banned. I want to run ads for a lady that was selling dates, dabinu in Yoruba, how they call it, this syrup. I've forgotten about Facebook ad policy. So all the words I use, I've not even set up the ads. I only put it in draft. By the time I came back online, they banned the account. They banned the other accounts. So please ensure all your ads are following Facebook policy so that you don't get restricted or you don't get banned. Now you have to balance audience size for optimal performance, which means audience size directly impacts your campaign performance. Too narrow and your cost, if it is too narrow, if your audience is too narrow, your cost they will charge you like crazy. If it is too broad and your ads lose relevance, finding the sweet spot is essential for efficient ad spend. If you have a small audience, high relevant, high cost, limited scale. If you have a large audience, you have a lower cost, less precision. See, let me tell you a little thing about this audience too. If you are targeting online and you don't know who your audience is, you need to keep on testing a lot of creative. Test pictures and use images. Images like static images. Don't just be using images that is cluster. You are using images that involve a lot of informations. If a customer cannot understand your image in just 30 seconds, you've lost it. But they have a lot of things they can get online. That's why I say videos can get their attention more than images. You know, someone that is watching Facebook Reels or TikTok Reels, by the time he scrolls and see your ads, he might be interested and you might speak to him. Though most of the conversion, most of the sales happens on Facebook feed, not when someone is watching videos. So focus more on your creatives, on your videos. Ensure the first 30 seconds capture their attentions. One of the things you can use in first 30 seconds is using their pain points. You can use their pain points. Let's continue. Now, detailed targeting lets you go deep into specific niches. I think I talked about detailed targeting before. So detailed targeting allows you to layer this is where you can use the demographic, the interest and behavior to create highly specific audience segments. This approach is ideal for niche products or when you want maximum relevance. But another thing about this kind of targeting is that if you, let's say you use digital marketing, one of your detailed targeting now, and discover that this digital targeting is working, it will work for a very long time. But if you are not careful, if you don't change and test with different things, it will be fatigued as time goes on. It will be weak. Yes, it will be weak. So always use, always, I will always encourage you to use broad. But we still get there. Now, broad targeting lets the platform algorithm find convert. As you can see, broad targeting makes the Facebook to find people that will convert for you. Most of the people I do follow online, most of them do use broad targeting. They will target the whole of Nigeria, but they do pick interest there. But like I said, that interest is not really working since Meta updated their Andromeda. So broad targeting remove most restriction and let the advertising platforms AI find the best audience for your ads. And the way they will find the best audience for your ads is because once your ads start running, they will be showing your ads to people. Now, if they see that is a person of a specific interest, like someone that is affiliate marketing, react to that kind of message, they will continue looking for people like that. That's how your ads works. So these strategies works well when you have strong creative asset and a well optimized asset. Like I said, a very strong creative, work on your ad creatives. Now, Advantage Plus Audience, AI powered audience optimization. Advantage Plus Audience is Meta AI driven targeting system that automatically finds the best people for your ads. It uses machine learning to go beyond the defined targeting and discover new audiences likely to convert. Habib, I don't use it because that is a way for Facebook to get more of your money. Yeah, that's the way Facebook use to get more of your income. So me, I don't encourage it and I don't use it at all. That's the Advantage Plus. It will be burning a whole lot of your money because that's how Facebook will be getting a lot of money from you. Now, audience overlap, waste budget, avoid this. Audience overlap occurs when two or more of your ad set target the same people. This creates internal competition, drive of course, and what they are telling you here is that if your first ad set, we have 3 layers of ads. We have the ad campaign, we have the ad set, and we have the ad level. Now inside the ad set is where you put in your location, your placement. That's where you target the whole country. That's your conversion location. That's where you select, do you want people that will be clicking, do you want people that will buy. That's what that one is for. So now if you are targeting people that will click and select the same age range and you still do the same thing for another ad set, that's what they are telling us to avoid there. It will be wasting your budget. You'll be wasting money because Facebook will be targeting the same set of people in like 2 or 3 ad sets, and it will be good for you, as you can see. So checking for overlap is a critical step before launching multiple campaigns. Hope you understand. Before you launch any campaign, multiple campaign, always check for overlap. Always check for ads. To ensure that they are not overlapping, ensure they are not the same thing. So we have come to the end of module 3. So ensure to research deep, target smart, know who your ideal customers are before spending money on ads. Use demographic interest and behavior strategically. balance, detailed and broad targeting for best results. Always check for audience overlap before launching. See you in the next class.